My name is Terry Giletti, and I work at Suffolk as the Service Delivery Manager. Suffolk is a very large construction company. We are based in Massachusetts. However, we have offices and buildings all over the country, especially in the Southeast and the West Coast. As part of my roles, one of my roles is to manage the help desk, to make sure that we have service delivery, the phones get answered, the people get the assistance that they need, and we give good customer service. The challenge that we had before 3CLogic was that I didn't have any insight into the phones. So there was a lot of hearsay going around about how many times the phone rings, people aren't answering the phones. I had no way of knowing how many times the phone rang and how often and how quickly we were able to answer the phone, as well as who was calling the help desk. I found out about 3CLogic through my ServiceNow rep. As I was looking at different products, I asked her what her recommendation was and what she had seen through some of our other clients, and she highly recommended the product, especially because of the integration with ServiceNow. The key requirements in the selection process was, number one, a tool that would actually work and be scalable, as well as that I needed the tool that integrated with ServiceNow was very, very important to me, as well as cost. The biggest benefits about deploying 3CLogic with ServiceNow is now I have all my information in one place. In my past lives, I'd have to run reports on the calls in one system, and I had to run the reports on the tickets in another system. At this time, everything is in one big system, and I can integrate everything together. An example of that is I can look at a ticket and I can listen to the phone call as part of the ticket, as opposed to going to another system and sorting through information to find which ticket went to which call. My long-term plan for using 3CLogic and ServiceNow is to start rolling the product out to other groups. Currently, there are other groups that are in need of a sort of a ticketing system or a tracking system, as well as a phone management system. By having a product that integrates the two together, I can quickly roll it out to teams and show immediate value in the product. The support with 3CLogic has been excellent. As an example, when we were deploying, we had a point of contact. Anytime I called him, he was he quickly got back to me with a solution, and/or kept me in the loop if he didn't have a solution immediately at hand. We have had a few times where we've had to call support because of some sort of an issue. Support was quick to get back to me, and again gave me quick solutions and didn't give me a hard time. They simply solved the problem, showed me what the solution was, and I understood why. I would definitely recommend 3CLogic to others. A perfect case would be someone similar to Suffolk, where we have a smaller company that doesn't need a large integration. We just need something simple that works. This is perfect. This is a perfect window for someone that wants to use 3CLogic.